Jai Shri Mahakal, Jai Shri Mahakali. Hello, guys, welcome back. So, today we are talking about a very interesting and important topic, that is Saturn and the COVID 19. Saturn in a modern world and Corona impact. Right now, we all are facing uh, the great pandemic of COVID 19. So, people are saying this is due to Rahu and Ketu transiting in Ardra and Mula, and there are a lot of planets transiting Sagittarius when this pandemic occurs. Like 5 6 planets are transiting in December, and in January in Sagittarius. So people are mainly focusing on Rahu, Ketu, and Sagittarius, but I think people are missing the Saturn in Capricorn. Saturn is transiting Capricorn after 30 years, and Saturn also start giving results uh, for its own house before entering into the house uh, around 6 months before it will start getting the results of that house. So Saturn is transiting in Capricorn in 24 Jan 2020, and as it is coming to its own house, which and in Kalpurusha Kundli, it is the 10th house. So 10th house represents your karma bhav, your workplace. So, and what are the significations of Saturn? Saturn signifies the lower class people, lower class society, poor people, things which produce underground, like groundnuts. Apart from that, all the vegetables which produce underground. It also rules the farmer. Underground products like petroleum, gas, and iron. It also represent peons, clerks, all lower class society. Saturn wants people to be in discipline, and Saturn wants to do things according to him, as it rules the 10th house, the karma house, the workplace. So Saturn will impacting the workplace a lot. This is also the reason I think Saturn transiting its own house after 30 years. That is one of the main reason for this situation, because Saturn wants to change so many things. Uh, Saturn wants to change the lifestyle of the people. Saturn wants the modern things according to it. So if we see the Saturn comes from in Greek side, its name is come from the Greek deity Saturnian, whose name the meaning of that name is god of agriculture and harvest. So Saturn also represent the farmers. So the thing to understand is what Saturn is saying. The things I am ruling right now, I will give good results to that. So as the price of petroleum gas are increasing day by day, now Saturn comes to the its own house. So Saturn is saying, I am ruling the low class people. I am lowering the price of petroleum gas so that it can easily be accessible by the low class people. I am going to increase the dignity, increase the importance of farmers, as I am ruling the farmers, I am ruling the peons, I am ruling the clerks. So now nobody is getting clerks, peons, and maids in the houses due to the lockdown. So people are getting importance of that. So Saturn wants like what significations I have under me, like low class people, peons, clerks, maids, farmers. People should know the importance of that. There are many more significations, but in lower class society, everything things comes under it. It's a huge category. Saturn also represent the old age people. So right now, people are more focusing on old people, because due to Corona, it is impacting old age people too much. So Saturn also shows the death, the misery, and Saturn right now is transiting with Pluto in its own house. So the transit will be this transit of where the combination of Saturn and Pluto is after like 38 years, every 38 years. So that is also one reason. But we are focusing on the modern Saturn coming to its own house. What Saturn wants. So Saturn is also the house of like Saturn is also the significator of discipline. Saturn wants too much discipline in the person. And as Saturn also rules the houses. So right now the thing is people are taking too much loans. So Saturn is teaching them, be slow. Don't take loans unnecessary. Don't use money unnecessary. Otherwise you will be in trouble. So that is the teaching Saturn is giving right now. Saturn wants all to be in discipline. Saturn wants be in your limit. Like Saturn is saying, not in the limit, but don't exaggerate or waste your money, unnecessarily waste your money. So Saturn is teaching us after coming to its own house. If we see the Saturn when transiting the Sagittarius, the modern Saturn, so ninth house is of the Trevor, and Saturn is also aspecting the third house, also the sixth house. So that time Saturn only get revolution in technology, the new innovation and the discoveries, the Uber, the Lyft, the startups, the astrology and technology has been introduced by Saturn only when it was in Sagittarius. Now Saturn is in Capricorn. Capricorn is like 10th house in the Kalpurusha Kundi. So 10th house represent the workplace. 10th house represent the, what we call it, work culture. And from the 10th house, it is aspecting the 12th house, the fourth house, and the seventh house. So it is impacting the all the quadrant houses of a horoscope in Kalpurusha Kundli. So Saturn in 10th house in Capricorn, Saturn is saying, I am changing your work. And as Saturn is aspecting the fourth house of home, so Saturn, right now, Saturn, due to Saturn, it's introduced a new concept in the modern life, the concept of work from home. It's already introduced, but not many companies are following it, and not many companies are giving work from home to the people now. So Saturn is saying use the technology so that people can work from home. We can see the result. Everyone is at home, and all the IT professionals right now working from home. So we just have to analyze what Saturn is doing and saying. We don't have to be worried about it. Saturn is just giving us a time. If we see Saturn, third aspect is on the 12th house of liberation, quarantine, isolation. People are in isolation right now. There is a lot of social distancing due to this. So Saturn in Kalpurusha Kundi is affecting the 12th house uh, too much. That is why this situation, this is not Saturn wants to create such a huge pandemic, but this is one of the factor, like Saturn wants to change the things either this way or that way. We just have to understand that. So 12th house is also of meditation and self realization. So Saturn is saying self realize yourself. Sit at home and try to find what you want, what you really are, because people are not today in today's world. Life is too busy, so people are not focusing on themselves, and due to that, Saturn is giving time as it enters its own house. So Saturn is saying, I'm giving you the time. Just sit back at your home and think what you do best and what is right for you, and change the lifestyles. Saturn, because Saturn is impacting all the quadrant houses in the horoscope right now, the first house, the fourth house, the seventh house, the 10th house. Now you are saying, why the first house? Because first house is fourth from the Capricorn, which in Kalipurusha Kundi, which is the Saturn karmic house. In karmic house, Saturn is changing, impacting the mind of the people too much. That is why Saturn ruling all the quadrant houses right now, and Saturn is saying, now all your quadrants are under me, all your main functions are under me. Now you have to think according to me. I have to change. So this is all about modern Saturn. Saturn is also saying, like, I return to my home. So you should be at your home and think about what you do best at your work. So Saturn is changing so many things right now. Saturn is also, if we see the COVID-19 pandemic, Saturn is saying everyone needs some kind of misery in their life to get happy. So it's just a phase. It will pass out very soon. As Saturn is strong in its own house, so it will create a lot of opportunities and a lot of new ways of working that very soon. So if we also see Saturn is impacting the fourth house of home, so people are at their home. Saturn is also impacting the seventh house from the 10th aspect. So Saturn is saying, sit back at home and give some time to your wife, your relationships, and your business. Think about your business, how you can increase or how you can do a business in an innovative way. As Saturn is in 20th century, Saturn is saying use technology as much as you can because you are at home right now and you need to find a way how you can relate your business with the technology. Because technology is also represented by Rahu and Saturn too much. So we just have to understand what Saturn wants to tell us. And Saturn is also saying impacting the seventh house. Saturn is saying sit back at home and try to talk with your partner as you guys are not giving proper time to your partner. So this is the best time to think about it and um, also spend some time with your partner. So Saturn also impacting the 12th house of liberation, isolation. So we already know people are isolated right now, and uh, Saturn is impacting it directly seeing the home. So Saturn is saying, "I am at home. You guys also should be at home." So the main thing is, it's not only the Rahu Ketu or the impact is always bad in COVID. It's the situation which demands by the time because Saturn wants to change things according to it. So somehow things has to be done either this way or that way. So this time maybe it's little bit hard from Saturn too, but very soon Saturn is saying like I am in my own house. Don't worry, I'll change the things, and it will create a lot of opportunities for lower class society. Also, the big businesses are impacting nowadays, so Saturn will do a good for that also because a lot of technology enhancement has been seen and a new revolution will come in the workplace for sure in every technical field and technical terms because Saturn is giving new ideas right now to big organization how to tackle if this kind of situation will come, how we can generate new things so that the people will not get affected too much, and people will also get to know about the importance of farmer now as they have been neglected since very long. So people will also get the importance of lower class society people. So the, this is all about like Saturn wants to teach us. I hope like you guys like the video and the content in the video. If you guys really like the video, please do subscribe my channel, and for further videos, please press the bell icon so that you guys get the notification of my videos. Also, there are 2 3 series on nakshatras and ashtakvarga has been running parallelly. So if you guys want to know about the mythological story of nakshatras and how we decode the nakshatra, each nakshatra in astrological terms, you can go to the playlist and watch the videos. Thank you. Hope you guys be safe and be at home for time being. Thank you.